Do you want to see what they have at Walmart for wig care products? If you do, why don't you come along with me while I go shopping? Hi everyone, welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I just have a short little video here for you because I just was at Walmart and I was pleasantly surprised at the products that they now have in stock for our wigs. This makes it so convenient for all of us. We don't have to order online. If you're just at Walmart and you need to pick something up, you can. So why don't you come along with me and I'm going to show you what I found in the store today. Guys, I found a wig find at Walmart. Look at this. The Evan Wonder Lace Bond. I didn't know they carried that here. That's great for your lace front wigs. And then I also like the blasting freeze spray. And check this out. They have the Lange Le Duo. $60. You guys, these are like $125 new. That is great. I use these on my wigs, on my heat safe wigs, because they have the temperature control. So the Lange at Walmart. And you guys, $15 for the hot comb. Okay, this is a great wig tool to have as well. Who knew that they had all this at Walmart? I think I'm gonna grab this one. And anything that has the heat settings, like this one, 340 degrees. So if you put it on that low setting, you can use that on your heat safe wigs because typically they're up to 350 degrees. This Conair one goes all the way down to 266. So this one might even be a better one, where you have the various heat settings, and that one's only $19.58. So these are perfect for your heat safe wigs. Okay, and then here's all their root touch-ups. They have a tresemme and a dark brown, the Clairol, so those are a little less expensive. And then of course, let's see, what's this one? $8, what brand is that one? Medium brown. And I usually get the L'Oreal. The light golden brown is the one that I like. But they do have a dark one too, a black, blonde, auburn. All right, so the dry shampoos, I usually use the brunette. And they have this blonde and it says no white residue. So I think that's a really good one. Okay, just to show you, this is the brunette one that I use. It used to be called Beautiful Brunette, but it's not anymore. But I don't use the dark brown one. I use this one. So I don't know about you, but I was quite impressed with what I found at Walmart for wig care products. And I'm sure that there's lots more. I had other things on my list that I needed to get and stuff that I needed to do today. But I hope that that helped you guys. Now, if you'd like to see more shopping type videos, please just leave me a comment down below and let me know. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I always love to read your comments. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.